Let's do a quick recap of what we have done so far. So we had on-premises data in CSV format and we wanted to move the data to Azure Cloud. So firstly, we created the Azure Storage account and we enabled the hierarchical namespace there. And then we created two containers there. First, raw data and the second, transform data. And we wanted to move our data in raw data. So for that purpose, we created the Data Factory. And in Data Factory, we utilize Self-Hosted Integration Runtime. And then we created the link service to give the exact location where our data is. After that, we build the pipeline in Data Factory. And for extra reliability, we added Azure Logic app to get notified through mail if the pipeline succeeds or fails. And then we also added another Azure service, which is Azure Monitor, to monitor the pipeline run. Now the data is in Azure Storage account. We will connect the Azure Storage account to Azure Databricks, do data cleaning there, and then finally move the clean data to Azure Storage account container named Transform Data, which we earlier created. And then after that, we will create Synapse Analytics and then find insights from the data using SQL. And then finally, we will connect Azure Storage account to Power BI to find insights from our data. In the next part, we will create Databricks.